Okay, so we're going to restore our quantum byte today. And as you can tell, there are multiple files in our restore tutorial, but you only need to worry about the device you're using. So if you're using the quantum byte, be sure to select the quantum byte restore, whether it's the 8.1 or the Windows 10. If you're using the Access, be sure to download the Access, and the same applies for the tablet. Now, I'm going to download the Windows 10 Byte Restore, but I already have the file, so I won't have to do this, but you'll have to click on the restore file that you'll need to download. So next, what you need to do is double click the zip file located in your default folder, which would be downloads. Select extract, then click extract. And at this point, a new folder will open called Byte Restore. This name will change based on what the zip file you downloaded was. So if you downloaded the Quantum Access Restore, the folder will be called Quantum Access Restore. So just keep that in mind. And notice that there are two files that appear to be named the same. The left is a zip file and the right is the extracted folder. You can tell by the icon and the compressed folder options. Now we format our USB device based on what is noted on our tutorial. We're using the Quantum Byte, so we need to format the USB FAT32 and relabel the USB drive to WinPE. Alright, so once we complete the formatting, it's always good to double check the drive by looking at its properties. You simply just right click and select properties. So now we need to go back to the downloads folder and copy everything inside the extracted restore folder and move them over to the USB root directory. This will take a few minutes, so just sit back and relax. Now that we're done copying the files over, we need to go ahead and boot the device into BIOS. But first, we need to shut down the unit. To boot the device into BIOS, simply restart or shut down the device, then press the power button to have the device turn on. During the first few seconds of the device turning on, tap the delete key to reach BIOS menu. Once in the BIOS menu, you want to look for the boot override section, which is located in the Save and Exit tab all the way on the right hand side. Once you're in the Save and Exit tab, locate the boot override and select your USB drive, then press enter. At this stage, you're allowing the device to boot into the restore, and it should all be automated. This process might take between 25 to 45 minutes. If the Windows does not reboot on its own, simply type an exit and allow Windows to restart. Most likely you'll boot into the service Windows. If you do, allow the device to settle, and when you're prompted for system preparation, select OOBE and then choose to reboot. Let Windows boot into the user creation and you've completed the restore.